Hello, welcome back again to this channel. So we're going to be making a denim skirt, two-layer denim skirt. So let's get into it. So the first thing to do is to cut the first layer and the second layer. The first layer is 4.5 inches by 75 inches, while the second layer is 6 inches by 75 inches. So I'm going to be cutting that first, but it depends on how full you want it to be. But this is 75 inches long. So for the body of the skirt, I'm going to fold my fabric into two. Then I'm going to measure 13 inches. This 13 inches will include sewing allowance. You measure 13 inches. So I'm going to measure my band. That's 13 inches folded into two. That's 26. 20 inches, then it's going to be 3 inches long. When you fold into two, you have 1.5 inches. So I'm going to measure 2 inches from the top of the fabric. I'm measuring 2 inches down. I'll be marking it all through. So this is where the first layer is going to start from. Remember that we have band of 1.5 inches at the upper part. So I'm going to be marking 2 inches from the tip of the fabric all around for the first layer. So the first thing I'm going to do is to gather the first layer on the marked part of the upper part. You notice that we marked 2 inches down previously, so we're going to be gathering our fabric on those points. So after gathering, this is what I have. This is what it looks like. You can see this is what it looks like. That's the first layer. So the second layer will come under the first layer. So I'm going to be gathering the second layer at the tip of the fabric. So this is what I have now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hem this part, this lower part. After hemming this lower part, I'm going to fold and join by the sides. So after joining by the sides, then I hem the lowest part. Note that I'll hem this first layer. Then after that, I fold into two, join here. After joining here, then I hem the second layer round. So this is what it looks like after doing all those steps I mentioned earlier. This is what I have. I have the layered parts, I have the first layer, and I have the second layer. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach the band. So I'm going to be attaching the band. So I'm going to go ahead and sew around and leave a gap for the passage of elastic. Please note that this particular skirt is for 2 years, 18 months to 24 months. So the waist is 20, then the elastic length is 15 inches. The elastic length I'm going to be using for this skirt is 15 inches. So you are going to insert, you can use a bobby pin or anything that you feel is convenient for you to pass the elastic. So I'm going to be using bobby pin to pass the elastic. So you're going to join the elastic by the side. Then after joining by the side, you adjust very well. Then you close the gap. So this is what it looks like. This is what I have now. My skirt is ready. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please kindly like, share and subscribe. And please, if you've not watched our previous videos, please kindly do so. Comment, please encourage us. Thank you so much. Bye.